You recording? Yeah. It's your boy Alec, come back to you with a new YouTube video. We got the Coyote F-150 back here. Looking good. We got it lowered down, reverse leveled. We got the wheels on it in the last episode, as you can see. And we're still rocking the work truck look, but it looks like the foreman. You know, the foreman on the site. He's got 20s. He's looking cool. Anyways, I appreciate you guys being here. The channel kind of blew up over this thing. The most views I've gotten on a truck video in a long time. So I appreciate you being here. I appreciate the new subscribers. I appreciate the support. I hope that you're on JJ Kane looking for these trucks now because of this guy right here. I broke the freaking game. I broke the code. I don't even know what's going on. Anyways, I'm probably going to cut half this out of the video, but today we have a mod for the front end of this thing, and it's in that box right there. Home Depot. I bought a used set of headlights for it. I'm not going to tell you just which ones yet because we're going to open it, but I got a pretty good deal on them. So let's get right into the video. We're going to tear this thing apart. We got to tear like the grill off, and this top bumper pad right here has to come off. I don't even remember if anything else has to come off, so we're going to jump right into it. Get some ASMR cutting in here. All right. So I bought these on eBay for $375, and then I had to pay, it's not called Fee-Bay for no reason. I had to pay taxes and, you know, fees after that, which is bogus. You can sell a Rolex on there for 5% fees. You sell a pair of headlights, it's like 18%. Can't believe it. Oh, shit. Come on, baby. All right. Hopefully it's not broken. Or these like 2 weeks ago. And literally haven't opened them yet. Boom. What do you think of those suckers? Alpharex NOVAs. These are like $1,600 headlights for $450 after fees, shipping, and taxes. What is wrong with these people? I don't know, but I'll take it. So he says they work perfect. We're going to find that out. I might have gotten gypped, and you guys are going to laugh at me by the end of this episode. But no broken tabs, no nothing wrong with them, apparently. And we're going to get these thrown in and change the front end look of this thing. Now, I will admit, the front end on this is going to get a little dark. We got the black bumper pad, the black grille, and then we're going to have black headlights. So it's going to kind of look like my 01 GMC, all black on the front. Actually, the OM's right there, but I'll put a picture in here. So anyways, this clip's getting too long, but we're going to start tearing this thing apart with a little time lapse here. And we're going to get these suckers thrown in, show you what they look like. All right, so I'm behind the camera now, but I will say, you know, these are just a factory set of headlights. You guys don't need to see output shots. You don't need to see daytime running light. They're factory. You've probably seen it before. You've probably seen a million of these trucks running down the road, but we're going to get these installed, and I'm going to show you a little bit about the Alpharex NOVAs. I really wanted the Morimotos, but those things are still like $1,000. I ain't doing it. If we're trying to save up for spinny things that go on the top of the motor, you know, we're not spending $1,500 on headlights, I'll tell you that much. So we're repping the Ford gear today, right here. F-150 sweatshirt, feeling good about it. We got 2 GMs in the garage, so don't castrate me too much. But let's get these guys thrown in here and see how they look. All right, here we are. Got the whole front end taken apart. These things are like, they're just like GMT 800s, freaking the Legos of the truck world. It's starting to get a little crappy outside. Hopefully it doesn't rain. But anyways, pulled the grill off. Got to pull that bottom bumper pad off and get the headlights out. bunch of bolts. You can see all the stuff we had to pull out on the fastest workbench I own. Got the headlights out. There's just 3 plugs for each one, and this thing's pretty clean on the front end, you know. No complaints. I haven't found any like damage that speaks of an accident or anything like that, so happy with that. I'm gonna look at some wiring diagrams and figure out exactly how to wire these guys in. Haven't even looked at the back of this to figure out what I need and that kind of stuff. So I know I'm missing one of these plugs. I'm hoping I can steal one off of this headlight or something like that. But anyways, I'm gonna get to this, try and get them thrown in and see how it looks. Holy crap, you guys. Some people should just leave some certain work to professionals. I just pulled the daytime running light harness out of the bag from whoever I bought it from. Holy crap. That guy should never do wiring. So there's a plug right here for the daytime running lights. It's just a single like bullet plug. And here's the harness. So the harness must have at one point, you get your female part right there, that plugs on there. And at some point this was probably connected to the rest of the wiring harness. Let me show you the scope of this guy's, the scope and bounds of this guy's electrical work right here. Oh yeah, that is just freaking really nice. So this guy was actually twisted to this guy right here, and just a little bit of electrical tape works perfect. So unfortunately, I'm gonna have to play around with this harness a little bit and basically pull it all apart and redo it. I think this is just a positive battery, negative battery, and your trigger right here. I guarantee you, yep, I can almost see it right now. These wires are just crossed and electrical taped right here, so I need to fix that. So anyways, the wiring for the daytime running lights is a mess. Alrighty, y'all, got the wiring harness figured out. Got one of these nice solder shrink connectors in here. Got this one for the driver's side, and over here got this guy for the passenger side. And then the only other thing we need to do is eventually we need to get an add a fuse for this gray one that will go in the fuse box. That's our key on power to turn on the daytime running lights. So with that being done and our harness being ran, we finally get to put the headlights in. We got our headlights all installed here, and everything lined up really good. I'm really impressed with the fitment quality of these. I mean, they're $1,500 new. They should be, you know, they should fit good, but it's an aftermarket company. People spend thousands and thousands of dollars on aftermarket parts and they still don't fit right. So I'm pretty happy with the way that they fit. Everything lines up good. The gaps are good. Everything's even. Let's hit the unlock here real quick. I like that amber. The white looks good. So this is like if you were to walk up to the truck, you know, and hit the unlock, that's what it's going to look like. But also that daytime running light right there, once we get the add a fuse for the gray wire, that's always going to be on. So think of us going down the road. That's what that's going to look like. Let me go throw the headlights on inside here. All right, so excuse the noise. I'm going to try and stay back in the garage where there's hopefully no wind because the weather is crazy right now, and it just started raining. But anyways, here is what it's going to look like when we get that daytime running light all wired up with the headlights on. And I just want to say I think they look really good. Let's go back this thing up and take a look at it a little further away from the garage. Alrighty, y'all, here we are, got the truck all wrapped up. Now I'm realizing as we look at the front end of this thing, we need some LED fog lights or something like that to make this thing all look right. But I think it looks really good. Those black headlights actually blend in a little better than I thought they would. with the black front end, and them being a lighter color, it just looks good on the white truck. So I can really see how the fog lights are looking out of place a little bit, but I love it. I'll spend 450 bucks on something like that all day long. Looks really good. We'll walk around. We're just in the driveway here. Going up the driveway a little bit, so she's leaning backwards, but comment below if you like these headlights, if you like the design. I think they look really good. Alright, I got the truck pulled back down in the driveway. Let me know what you guys think of the build so far. Let me know what you think of the truck. Let me know what you think of the headlights. I'm really happy with it. I think that they look really good. Yeah, they're not. I really love the factory LED headlights, especially the black ones that came on the special edition trucks. But trying to find a clean set of those for a good price, you're spending upwards of $1,200 to $1,600. My Lariat has a set of those on it, the chrome ones. I've always wanted to get a black set for that truck because there's not much chrome on it, but you know, it is what it is. So these Alpharex NOVAs look really good. I like the projector on it. I'm going to film a little bit more maybe tonight or tomorrow and do get some output shots at night, maybe I'll on the way to work tomorrow or something like that. Here's a little video going up the driveway this morning, and a little hard to tell, but these things have a really nice cutoff line. Actually, it shows up pretty good on video. A little worse in person, but here's the low beams. Looks really good, actually. Get out here, a lot brighter than what we were dealing with before, so that's awesome. And then we'll get the high beams click on here in a second, and I'll show you that. There's the high beams. Pretty good. They're a little high in the air, I think, but maybe we can angle those. I really dig the look. I think the daytime running lights look awesome, and overall I'm really happy with $450 on eBay. So until I see you guys next time, I really appreciate you watching. Hopefully you're enjoying the truck videos. Make sure you leave a like. If you're not subscribed, make sure you subscribe so you can see some awesome stuff with this thing, and the black turbo GMC right behind me that was getting used as a workbench. So until I see you guys next time, peace.